respected guest of honor, chief guest of today's program, respectable staff member, Ulama Ikram, and all my brother. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to present a short topic on Tawheed. Tawheed will be admitted into the paradise without accounting. Allah the Exalted says, Inna Ibrahim kana ummatan qanitan lillahi hanifan wa lam yakun minal mushrikeen. Verily Ibrahim was an ummah or a nation obedient to Allah, Hanifa, and he was not one those who were al-mushrikeen, polytheists, idolaters, disbelievers in the oneness of Allah, and those who join partners with Allah. This chapter is like the completion of preceding one chapter on the excellence on Tawheed and how it expiated sins. From its excellence to great virtue towards to which every sensible person aspires, admission into the paradise without accounting. His statement, man, whoever, is an article of condition. Its predicate is hakaka, to truly attain, and its response is bila hisab, means without accounts. That is, he will not be called account concerning his sins and other things. To truly attain accounts means making it free of shirk, and this cannot be achieved except through three things. First thing, knowledge. It is not possible to truly attain a thing before knowing it. Allah the Exalted says, فَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّهُ لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا اللَّهُ. Know therefore that there is no God worthy, that there is no God worthy of worship in truth other than Allah. Second, belief. If you know but do not believe, being arrogant, you cannot truly achieve it. Allah said concerning the disbelievers, أَجَعَلَ الْآلِهَةَ إِلَهًا وَاحِدًا إِنَّ هَذَا لَشَيْءٌ عُجَابٌ. What has he made all the gods into one God? This is indeed an astounding thing. So they did not believe singling out Allah for worship. Third, submitting. If you know and believe but do not submit, then you cannot attain it. Jazakallah khair.